Hello friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Telegram SMS fee problem on both iPhone and Android. To do this, first close your Telegram app and switch your internet connection between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure you have a stable network. After that, go to your Play Store or App Store and check for any updates. Make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. When it's updated, go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then search for Telegram. Scroll down, tap on Storage, and tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Now go back, tap on Permissions, and make sure all required permissions, especially SMS and phone, are allowed. After that, open your Telegram app again and try logging in. Enter your phone number, and when prompted, enter your registered Gmail address. Check your email inbox to get the verification code sent to your Gmail. Once verified, you will see that the SMS verification code has been successfully sent to your phone number without any fee issues. If this main method doesn't work for you, don't worry. You can try these 3 alternative methods. Method 1. Don't request repeatedly. Do not request the verification code repeatedly. If you request it too many times, Telegram may temporarily switch to paid SMS verification. Wait around 24 hours and try again later. Method 2. Try a different network or SIM, switch to a different mobile network, or try using a different SIM card before requesting the code again. Method 3. Use the Call Me option. If the option is available, tap on Didn't get the code and select Receive a phone call instead of SMS. So, if you are facing the Telegram SMS fee problem, give these steps a try and see which one works for you. Thanks for watching.